Hi, this is the team from Easel, and today we're really excited to talk about our update to the Easel Toolbar. You may have noticed already, but the Easel Toolbar's visuals have changed a little bit. The icons are a little bit different. There's also now the ability to collapse the toolbar. So if I go over here and click on this arrow in the gray box right here at the top, I can hide my toolbar, and when I'm ready to bring it back, I just click on that arrow again, and there it is. Beyond that, the toolbar is very much the same. It's just really kind of changed. Some of the orders of things have changed, as well as the icons. So we're just going to kind of walk through that really quick. Here we have our shapes. When we click it, we get a drop-down menu, and we can select from a variety of shapes. We have our pen tool, which has its three drawing modes. Our drill points tool, which adds a drill point to our design. Text and fonts, which we can add to if need be. Our Pro Design library, our measuring tool, our easel apps, our image trace feature, which allows us to upload JPEGs to import into Easel, and our import, which allows SVGs, G-codes, STLs, and DXF files to be imported into Easel. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.